if y'all seen anybody with these earrings from Shein, let me know, because I have not seen anybody. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about secrets to shop on Shein. Okay, and I'm going to be giving you guys my secrets to shop on Shein. Maybe you guys heard about these secrets, maybe you guys didn't, maybe y'all swear y'all know all the secrets, but I'm going to put y'all on to some tea. Okay, so if you're shopping on Shein, this is going to be some tea. So number one tip is going to be type it into YouTube. And that means that you're going to basically take you're going to copy and paste the outfit that you're looking at, and you're going to paste it into YouTube. A lot of the girlies tend to put links. Shout out to the girlies that put links into their video. We love y'all. We care about y'all. We appreciate y'all. And I said this in my last Pretty Little Thing video. So if you guys shop at Pretty Little Thing, make sure you guys go check that video out, Secrets to Shop on Pretty Little Thing. But this is just a general secret for just shopping online. Type it in, but only when you have like big brands like Shein or Boohoo or Pretty Little Thing that people shop at all the time. So that's going to be the number one thing, and that's just for everybody in general. But let's get into the more generalized secrets that are specific for Shein, okay? It's going to be use style boards. This is going to be your best friend. And when I say style boards, you could create a style board in Pinterest. You can create your own style board. You know how you have saved outfits in Instagram? The outfits that you have saved, you want to use that. That's what I mean by style boards. Typically Pinterest. Pinterest is my best friend. You could kind of make your own outfits and put stuff together if that's what you want to do. I kind of feel like that take up a lot of time, so I don't always do that unless it's something that I really just can't get the vision for. I just like to save pieces, and I actually like to write it down along with my style boards. So what I do is I'll put a vision over here. I use Pinterest. I take it from Instagram, my inspiration. I take the pieces that I want to style, and I just kind of use it like that. Guys, let me know if you guys want to know how I style outfits and do a video on how to style outfits. But that is what I do. The reason why I say it's important to use a style board with Shein is because Shein has such a vast majority of items on Shein, and you can just go in Shein and just be like, oh my god, I don't even know where to start. Like, I do not know where to start at Shein. So you kind of want to have an idea of what you're looking for. So get a style board. We'll use my girl Jada. I love Jada. Right now, I really love her style. I love everything that she's been wearing. And let's use Jada. You find Jada, she has like this dope, like she recently had like this red and white and black romper on. She also recently had like this top on. The top was from Pretty Little Thing, but she had this top on, these pants on, and she had these fuzzy shoes on. And maybe you want to recreate something like that, but maybe you want to do it with shorts. So you kind of have an idea of what you want to do. So you can go in, type in the graphic tees, and then of course the what I say in all of my videos, put your size in if that's what you want to do. So the next one is, of course, use the search engine, but I'm going to show you how to use the search engine. So you're not going to use the search engine and put short sleeve graphic tee. No, you want to be very specific because Shein has so many different pieces. So for example, right, you want to put twist, like I was looking for a shirt like this. I don't know if you guys see it, but it has like the twist tie. So I put twist tie crop top white. You get what I'm saying? Like, you want to put twist tie. If you're looking, you're using your style board first and foremost because you have a look that you want to execute, and you want to do twist tie crop top, and that's going to bring up all the twist tie crop tops. You're able to save that. Of course, you want to definitely utilize your wish list button or put it into your cart. Or you can be like me and put that piece into your Pinterest because you know that you want to save that piece and you want to style that piece. When I'm shopping on Shein, I like to make outfits because it's affordable. And I like to make outfits in Shein. But you want to be very specific in the search engine and on Shein. So then the next thing that I say when you're shopping on Shein, this is big, is just buy a lot of basics. That's going to help you. Don't go on Shein and don't buy any basics. Their basics are pretty good. What did I get from them? I got like a full romper. So get full black romper. Add some basics. Their basics are really affordable. So add basic leggings, add basic black shorts, add basic jeans, add your basics to your cart. You want to add just a couple basics to the cart so then you can better kind of like make your outfit and kind of like know what you want to get when you're shopping on Shein. Because I know all of you can attest to like buying outfits and just wasting money, or buying clothes and just wasting money. You have nothing to wear with it. You're pulling out items. You literally have a bunch of items and you have nothing to wear with it. A lot of people don't have basics, and everybody, all the fashion girlies will tell you you need basics. And even with me, sometimes I get out of hand and I don't buy basics. But I'm gonna tell you, on Shein they have the best basics, so you want to have basics in your cart. I don't care. And then they kind of like deteriorate over time. So every time you purchase a Shein order, get you a basic white tee, get you a basic white crop, so that you can kind of like build up on your basics. Okay, period. And the next one is accessorize. When you're shopping on Shein, you want to add those accessories. They have some great accessories. And just to hop into another tip on Shein, I'm not even counting these tips. Is to search. Okay, it's gonna take you some time when you're on Shein. Okay, it's gonna take you some time. And this goes into another tip that Miss Bad Brown taught me. Shout out to Miss Bad Brown for this one. I never knew the name of it. She said do rabbit holing. She said that when you're shopping on Shein, if you have a piece and you like it, you know, go below and they show you similar pieces. Of course, we all know that, but I didn't know that not everybody knows it, but I didn't know that it was called rabbit holing. But I found these fire earrings on Shein, and did I find them rabbit holing? I didn't. I just typed in gold earrings. I believe I typed in gold earrings because knew I wanted gold earrings. And what I did was I just kept scrolling. Like, I kept scrolling. And sometimes I'll just skip the pages and go all the way to some of the last pages to find like the most unique things, because everybody and their mama shop on Shein, right? Like, I don't mind wearing the same thing as everybody else, but dang, like y'all know those Versace shoes, everybody has them. And it's just like, if it's something that everybody and their mama got, now I'm just kind of like, all right, I don't want it no more, because we done wore the trend out. So if it's something that has been worn out and you don't want to wear that, look for something else. But you definitely are going to have to go and search. Another tip that I got from her that I've been using recently is typing in, I think it's called Sexy or something like that. It's SXY or something like that. Yeah, it's SXY. I type that in and I use that and I rabbit hole with that. And I use that tip. She has some tips on her page. So make sure you guys check her out on TikTok. She is amazing. I love following her. And another tip. Do I have another tip? Nope. That is all my tips for shopping on Shein and having like a better experience on Shein. Oh, I have another tip. Yep, I sure do. Another tip that I have is going into different pieces. There's this there's these like sector, I guess you could say, of clothes that I really like. You know, like those florals, those long kimonos, just those things that people typically wouldn't touch or people don't wear at Shein. We tend to see the same thing with that people have on with Shein. So when I go, I'm always looking at pieces that people may not pick up. Cause the glasses that I got from Shein, I got these like zebra looking glasses from Shein, but the earrings that I got from Shein, I have not seen anybody with those earrings from Shein like at all. These I've seen. Y'all can attest to seeing these. I've seen like 3 people with these on, but these I have not. Like, if y'all seen anybody with these earrings from Shein, these are the LV earrings from Shein, let me know, because I have not seen anybody with them yet. And I watch a lot of Shein hauls and I have not seen anybody pick these up. And my tip, honestly, is really as simple as going through the pages, but going like skipping some pages. Sometimes you might skip some certain things, but like, let's say like you're on your break at work, you're just scrolling through. Like, I will scroll, and I think a lot of people don't want to do that. But if you don't want to have on what everybody else have on, you might want to scroll, because I ended up finding these babies. And if y'all have these, y'all let me know. But I really did not see anybody with these on. Like, sometimes I'll get pieces and I do not be seeing a lot of people with the pieces on. Shein has a lot of pieces. I hope that you guys like this video. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.